For the cupcakes, mix the melted butter and sugar together using a hand mixer until the sugar is dissolved. Add the first egg and beat for 2 minutes, then add the second egg along with the vanilla and beat for 4 more minutes. Add the yogurt and beat for an additional 3 minutes. Finally, add the sifted flour and baking powder and mix well. Sprinkle a layer of ground pistachios and walnuts on the bottom of the cupcake molds. Pour the cupcake batter on top and bake in a preheated oven at 180 degrees Celsius, 350 degrees Fahrenheit, for 40 minutes. For the topping, crumble 1 layer of ready-made baklava sheets with melted butter. Repeat this process with the second and third layers, mixing with butter each time. Cut the prepared baklava mixture into pieces using a cookie cutter and place them on a baking tray. Bake in a preheated oven at 200 degrees Celsius, 390 degrees Fahrenheit, for 15 to 20 minutes or until golden brown. Once the cupcakes are baked, top each with whipped cream. Place a piece of the baked baklava mixture on top and garnish with ground pistachios.